In this guide, I'm going to show you how to remove your password, PIN, or pattern from an Android phone. Intro. First things first, go ahead and swipe up and you need to open up your settings gear and then scroll down on here and you're going to see a security and privacy option. Open that up and then you need to look specifically for screen lock and biometric. Scroll down, select it, it's going to redirect you to a page that looks something like this, and tap on your current screen lock option, enter in your current existing PIN, password, or pattern to verify your identity, and then just choose none or swipe as the new lock type. A warning is going to appear explaining that everything from your saved face or fingerprint data will be removed. Just tap remove data, confirm that change, and then your phone is now going to open without requiring a PIN, password, or pattern. Just keep in mind that anyone who gets access to your phone now will be able to unlock it. Before you do leave, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help with the channel and it lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Peace.